amazing!
Well, gang, here we go. It is day one of our amazing Las Vegas vacation. First thing I gotta do though is I have to drive an hour south to get to the airport, the nearest airport that is. And once I get there, I'll be flying to Phoenix, have a layover in Phoenix, and then I'll be heading to Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas! All right, gang, we'll talk to you in a bit. We have arrived in Las Vegas. We are at the Excalibur. Long day of travel is over with, but let's check it out. All right, we're gonna go up and check out the room now. And then we'll see what excitement happens next. Let's see how our view looks. Now we're looking opposite of the strip. I see In-N-Out Burger. I think that's the Rio over there. And what do we got down here? Whoa, we got the pool. A view of the pools, plural, 1, 2, 3. A lot of people out there, probably a good day. Ah, there's the new football stadium. I believe it's, I'm gonna be wrong, Allegiance Stadium? I'm not 100% sure, but there it is. Wonder if we can see the basketball. Yeah, there's T-Mobile Arena right over there. And isn't it crazy how there was a camera already set up here before I even walked in? Wow, how does that happen? All right, gang, we're gonna unpack and we're gonna check things out, and we'll talk to you later. All right, gang, we are unpacked and ready to go. So we're gonna check out a few things here. We're not gonna do too much, obviously. We've been traveling all day, but you never know. We gotta go get our free credit down at the M Life counter, and then we'll play that before we play any of our own money. Let's see what happens. We have got our card. We've got our free credit on the card, and they also said I have $100 food and drink credit. So, let's start day one at, I don't know, I think it's 5 or 6 at night already, but that's cool. All right, let's have some fun. So after playing the free play, we ended up $26 ahead. So, hey, that's money we didn't have, so we'll take it for free.